Hi, we will continue for maths solutions of 2024 EdCET Shift 2. In the previous video, I have covered some questions, nearly half of the questions. Now I will continue and complete this math solutions explanation. The area of the figure formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a rectangle of sides 20 centimeter and 18 centimeter. That means here we are having a rectangle 20 by 18. Consider this as 20 and this is 18. Then we are having here some midpoints. So we have to find this area. Now area of the triangle is what? Half into base into height. So if you say area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So if you take this as midpoint, so this much will be how much? 10. And from this part it will be 10. If this is 18, then this part will be 9 and the other half will be 9. So here this is 9 and this is 9. So like this we are having 4 equal triangles we are having. So we will find area of the triangle. For example, this is part 1. Area of the triangle of part 1. How much it is? Half into base is how much? 10. Height is how much? 9. 2 on the 2 5s, so we'll get here 45 centimeters square, whatever it is. So now area of the, what we have to find this, what is the shape that is here formed here? This is rhombus, right? So area of the shaded figure we can say. So area of the shaded figure, how we are getting this area of the shaded figure? So for example, if I say this as P, Q and this is R and this point is S. In PQRS, that is we have to find this one. PQRS. So I will get this area of the shaded figure we have to find. This is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. From this you remove the 4 triangles. Area of the 4 triangles. This is 1, 2 and this triangle is 4 and this triangle is 3rd and 4th. So all the 4 triangles are having same dimensions, the length, whatever the base, height, everything are same. So area of rectangle minus area of 4 triangles. Area of 4 triangles. Area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So for the one is 20 and there is 18. For rectangle, the bigger one, 20 multiplied by 18. So this is area of the rectangle minus 4 times the area of the triangles. So how much we got here? 45. That's 4 into 45. So 1 we got 45. So the second is also same because 9 and 10, the dimensions are same, 9 and 10. So 4 into 45. 20 into 18 is how much? 360 minus 180. 45 into 4 is 180. So 180 centimeter square. That is what we have the answer here. Very simple question, this one here. Only you have to remember area of the rectangle formula, length into breadth, and area of the triangle half into base into height. Now in the figure, if O is the center, here we are having the center of the circle and angle AOC is 150, that is given here. This one is given, 150 is given to us. Then find angle ADC. So this one we have to find. Right. So we know that area of triangle ADC is equal to 2 times ABC. Right? We know that angle So there is an important property here, the area of this angle, the angle here B, right? This is how much? Half of this angle. This is a property. So angle B becomes how much? 150 divided by 2. This is 75. So angle B is how much? We got angle B is equal to 75. Now if you see this circle, and inside the circle we are having this quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Four-sided figure, no? ABCD is a quadrilateral and all the points are lying on the circle. So if a quadrilateral of which the 4 points lie on the circle, then that quadrilateral is known as what? Cyclic quadrilateral. So ABCD is what? It is a cyclic quadrilateral. That means the points are on the circle, not somewhere inside. It is on the circle ABCD. So now we have to find angle D. Very simple. For cyclic quadrilateral, there is a rule. What is that rule? Opposite angles are supplementary. There is a property for cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles are supplementary. What is the meaning of supplementary angles? That means if you add these two angles, B and D, it will be 180 degrees. Supplementary angles means angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. In the same way, angle A plus angle C is also 180, opposite angles, 180. But we are not interested in A and C, we are interested only D. So, if B is 75, so D will be how much? Very simple. This is 75 plus D is equal to 180 degrees. That means angle D will be how much? 180 minus 75. So angle D is 105 degrees. So the answer for this one is angle D is how much? 105. Very simple question. Only thing you have to remember is, if you are having a circle and if there are 4 points on the circle somewhere like this and we form a quadrilateral anywhere on the circle, so this is known as the cyclic quadrilateral. So the opposite angles will be equal to 180 degrees. That is one thing. Second thing, any angle that is formed at the center, this one is double than this one. That's all. These two you have to remember. Now we move to the next question. If the volumes of two cubes are in the ratio 64:125, so volume is given. So there are two cubes. Consider there are two cubes, and for cube 1, consider the side is A1. Side is equal to A1. For cube 2, consider the side equal to A2. We know that the volume of the cube is what? L into B into H, because side will remain same. So A1 cube, for this one, what is the volume? Side, length, breadth, height are same for the cube. So this becomes A1 cube. For the second cube, the volume will be equal to A2 cube. Now, we need to find A. That is the side we have to find. So what is given to us? The volume for first one is how much? 64 is given. See, the volumes of the two cubes. For the first one, 64 is the volume and 125 is the. So for this one, for second one, A2, how much it is given? 125. If the volume, that is A1 cube, is 64, right, then what is A1? Cube root of 64. How much? 4, because 4 into 4 into 4, 3 times 64. So the side of the cube one is how much? So that is 4 centimeter, whatever it is unit. So now A2 cube is given as 125. These are simple values, small numbers given, that's why it is easy to do. So A2 will be how much? Cube root of, if you remove this cube, it will come to the other side as cube root of 125. So 5 cube is 125, no, 5 into 5 into 5. So what is the side A2? That is equal to 5. Now ratio, what we have to find? Side we know. That means for the 2 cubes, for the 1 cube we have the side as how much? 4. For the second cube similarly we are having how much? It is 5. Now it's a ratio of the surface area. If the side is 4, what is the area? Side square. So finally ratio of surface area, surface areas, because 2 is equal to side is 4. So write 4 square. For the other cube side is 5. Area will be side square. So 5 square. So this is how much? 16 by 25. If you write in the ratio terms, how much it is? 16 is to 25. Very simple. We are given the volume. We have to find cube root to get the side. Then do the square to get the area. That's all. Then take the ratio. Next question. If A2 comma K and B, so some points are given to us. How many points are given? 3 points are given to us, and these are what? Collinear. Collinear, right? Something like this. Collinear. So we have to find the value of K. These 3 points are collinear. Collinear means what? The points lying on the same line. If you are having a line like this, suppose think that there is a point here, there is a point here, there is a point here. So like these points known as what? Collinear points. So here we are having, say, A, this is B, this is C. So now we know A is 2 comma K, B is 4 comma 6, C is 8. I will not write here, it will take time. So now slope between A and B. Formula for slope between the 2 points between A and B. What is the formula to find the slope between the 2 points? Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So for A and B, what is Y2? 6. What is Y1? K. X2 4 minus 2. This is for A and B. Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus. So how much it will be? 6 minus K by 2. Consider this as 1. So slope is M. Slope is measured as what? M. Now slope between, slope for which points? B and C. What is Y2 minus Y1 here in for B and C? So 8 minus 6. 6 by X2 minus X1, 8 minus 4. 8 minus 6, 2 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. So consider this as equation 2. Now both are M. Equation 1 is M, equation 2 is M. So we can equate them from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what we will get here? 6 minus K by 2 equal to 1 by 2. This cancel. So K will go to the other side, 1 will come to the left side. So it will be K equal to how much? 5. That is what our answer. K is equal to 5. Only slope formula we have to remember and equate the slope, because 3 points are there. Collinear means like this. Now we will see the next one. The slope of the line which is perpendicular to the line joining the points. Suppose if there is a line something like this, and this is perpendicular to this one, joining the points A and B. We have to find the slope of the line, and this is the line perpendicular, right? So what is A given to us? 3, 4. What is B given to us? 5, 9. So 5, 9 is this one. So slope for A and B is how much? slope m is equal to, same like previous question, same formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is equal to how much? 9 minus y2 minus y1, 9 minus 4 by x2 minus x1, 5 minus 3. So slope is how much? 5 by 2. So m is equal to 5 by 2. We get this is the slope, not the answer. Right? Don't confuse. Now here we have very, very important rule you have to remember. What is that you have to remember? Slope of a line perpendicular to a line with the slope m. That is slope of a line perpendicular to the line with slope m. For AB the slope is m. Then what is the slope of the perpendicular line? That is equal to minus 1 by m. This you have to remember. That means if the slope of the line AB is m, for the perpendicular slope is how much? Minus 1 by m. So m value you do reciprocal and take minus reverse. That is 2. If this is 5 by 2, 1 by m is what? 2 by 5 and minus. So minus 2 by 5. So this is the answer. So this is what the important property you have to remember. Slope of a line perpendicular to line with slope m is minus 1 by m. If you remember this property, then it is very easy to do. Now we have the next question, arithmetic progressions. 5 plus 9 plus 13 up to 97. So what is given to us? First we will write. What we have to find? Sum of the given terms. We have to find the sum of the given terms. So the first term is a, 5. What is common difference? That is d, equal to second term minus first term, 9 minus 5. So d is equal to how much? D is 4. A is equal to 5. And an, the last term is what? First term is a1 or a. The last term an is how much? 97. We have to find the sum of the n terms. For that we have the formula, but we are not having the number of terms. Do we have number of terms? How many terms? Number of terms, 5 terms, 10 terms, that is not given. So that we have to find first. So we have to find first what? Number of terms. Number of terms in the series AP. How many are there? So we have to find n. So how we can do that? The an means what? A plus n minus 1 into d. In the arithmetic progression, what is an? A plus n minus 1 into d. So an is already given to us, 97. A is how much? First term 5. N we are not having. N we write as it is. D we will have common difference is 4. Now 97 minus 5 is how much? 92. 92 you divide this by 4 is equal to n minus 1. So that is 23 we will get here. 23 plus 1, 24. So n value will be from here how much? 24 terms are there. If this is first term, second term, third term, last term is how much? 24 terms are there. Now we are having n. So to find 5 plus 9 plus 3 means we have to find sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. What is the formula? N by 2 formulas are there. Whatever applicable you can use. Anyone you can use. I mean, n by 2 into a plus l. A is the first term, l is the last term, n is the number of terms. Because n is not given, so we have first calculated the value of n. So n by 2 means what? 24 by 2 multiplied by first term. A is what? 5. And l is what? The last term? Last term is 97. So 24 by 2 is 12. 12 multiplied by 102. How much? 1224. Right, 1020 plus 24, 1224. So this is what our answer. Now we move to the next question. If cos x plus sin x is equal to root 2 cos x, then cos x minus sin x is equal to how much we have to. So this is given to us, right? So we have to find this one equal to cos x minus sin x equal to 1. So for the whatever given to us, what we will do first? Squaring on both sides, right? Squaring on both sides. So what you will get? Cos x plus sin x. So left side is this one, whole square root 2 cos x whole square. This is a plus b whole square. So what we will get? A square plus b square plus 2 cos 2ab cos x equal to, we have root 2 square is what? 2. So 2 cos square x, root 2 into root 2 is 2. Right. So what we are getting here, we will not do this as 1. So instead we take this to the other side. So 2 cos, if you take this one, it will become minus 2 cos x square minus cos x square is what? That is cos x square. Yes, we can do in that way. So here what we will do is we will keep this on the left side, 2 cos x sin x is equal to 2 cos x square minus cos x square. So you will get here cos square x. This sign if you take to the other side, minus sin square x. This is like a plus b model. Sorry, a square minus b square model. What is the a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x. So now what we can do here, we need this one. So you have to see the question, cos x minus sin x we need. So we will keep this as it is. The other one we take, this one will take to the other side, right? So cos x minus sin x we will keep as it is because we need this in the left side. So 2 cos x sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Now this step is careful here. You have to be a little bit careful. 2 cos x sin x we write as it is, 2 cos x sin x divided by this part, denominator part, cos x plus sin x. What is given to us? Cos x plus sin x equal to root 2 cos x. Cos x plus sin x is given as what? In the question, root 2 cos x. So instead of denominator cos x plus sin x, we will write root 2 cos x. So we have cos x gone. So root 2, if you multiply, divide with 2, what you will get is root 2, right? Because 2 is what? Root 2 into root 2. 2 means root 2 multiplied by root 2. 1 root 2, 1 root 2 cancel. So what is remaining here? Root 2 sin x is remaining here. So that is our answer. Now we move to the question, next question, question number, what is that, 19 it seems. Statistics. The arithmetic mean of the cubes of the first 11 natural numbers is, arithmetic mean, average you have to find, cubes of the first 11 natural numbers, that is we have to find cube of, average of 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, like this up to 11 cube. For this we have to find what? Mean. Arithmetic mean or average, all means same. So here there is a formula for this, there is a shortcut in there. What is the shortcut route? To find the sum of the cubes of the natural numbers, there is a very important formula. You remember this formula. Any other formulas like this also you have to remember. N multiplied by n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. This formula is for arithmetic mean of cubes. For cubes, this is the formula, n into n plus 1 whole square by 4. How many terms are there? 11 terms. N is 11, right? N is number of terms. 11 terms are there. So 11 multiplied by 11 plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So what we get here, 11 into 12 divided by 4. So we get here 4 1s are 4 3s are, if you multiply this is 33 into 12, 330 plus 66, so 396. So this is the answer. So for cubes, arithmetic mean of the cube, this is the formula. If you know this, the answer is very easy. Otherwise, somewhat difficult. Question number 20. Probability. If two dice are thrown simultaneously, dice means what? A die will have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If two are thrown at the same time, then the probability of getting a sum of at least 9, total should be 9 or above. At least 9 means 9 or more than 9, starting from 9. So if you have like this two dice thrown, then what are the chances we get? We have chances something like this. 1 1 may come, 1 2 may come, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5 up to 1 6. Then you have the chance 2 1, 2 2 may come, one die will be 2, another will be 2, like this up to 2 6. But what we need, if we add these to 9 up to here, what will get? 2 plus 6 will get 8. So this is of no use, this is of no use. Now we are moving to the third one. 3 1 you may get, 3 2 you may get, like this up to 3 6. So 3 plus 5 no use. 3 6 means this one will be 9. So one chance up to from here there is one chance. Then you are having like this what? 4 1 4 2 up to 4 6. Then you are having 5 1 5 2 up to like this. Now 6 1 up to 6 6. So what you have to find is how many chances are there. First thing is, when you throw the two dice at the same time, the total number of chance, total number of events, total number, right? How many combinations will get total? 2 dice, 36 you will get. Out of this, to get 9 means like this, 3 6 will be there. Then you are having 4 5 will be there, 9, right? Then you are having 4 6 will be there, 10, because starting from 9, 10 also is okay, 11 also okay. Then you will get 5 3 8, 5 4 you will get, 5 5 you will get, 5 6 you will get. Like this total you will get how many? To get a 9, there are total chances of getting 9 is 10, right? Total number of events for getting the sum at least as 9 is 10 are there. What are these 10? 3 6 will be there, 4 5 is there, 4 6 is there. Then you are having 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 3, 6 4. Starting from 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, anything it can be. So the probability of this one is what? The chance of getting at least 9 is 10. 10 times. Divided by total 36. So if you divide 2 5s are 2 18. 2 18. So what is the answer here? 5 by 18. So probability is also, you will get an easy question. Only thing you have to be a little bit careful about this question and the number of cards. That red color, black color and all those things you have to know. So with this we have completed this question paper. Now what you have to do, if you like this video, do click on the like button, share with your friends, because sharing is caring, and if you have any doubts, do mention in the comments. See, for mathematics you prepare basic questions and some formulas from the books 8th, 9th and 10th class mathematics. Then that will be sufficient for Telangana B.Ed entrance test 8th, 9th, 10th. Some important formulas and basic questions you have to. Of course, few questions will be difficult, but majority of the questions easily you can. Thanks for watching.